Therefore, decided to punish Imo State. He used Senator Hope Uzodinma. Senator Hope Uzodinma, why not give this man whose filling station was demolished or destroyed by state government, who won the state government at the court, 100 million naira, if you can have the mind to pay 7 billion to make sure you stop Chidemo Wajumogu, to make sure you stop Ararume, to make sure you stop so many other aspirants who contested for Okigwe's senatorial seat. You stop them with 7 billion naira. Give this man ordinary 100 million that belongs to Imo State. From state fund, give this man, if I give him 300 million, the money is ours. You are not paying civil servants. You are not paying pensioners. You are not ready to employ the youth. You are not ready to conduct LG election. You are not even ready to reappoint commissioners in Imo State. Since 7 months, you sacked all of them. Oga, why not give this man 300 million? You had the mind to pay billions of naira to make Frankie Bezime senator of Federal Republic of Nigeria representing Imo North, being Okigwe zone. Why not pay this man and stop suffering Imo lights? I could say I'm gonna be a state, but imagine me going from Mishuweke Hito Boma to Umaya to get a fuel. It's very, very unfortunate. It's very, very disgraceful. Oga, it's very, very disgraceful. You are in fact, to be sincere, Senator Hope Uzodinma, soldier ants, they will bite you till you die. You are a very wicked devil. You are a very wicked devil. You don't deserve to live among the living. My name is Uwas Local Plan from Hito Boma, from Ishuwe Kamakoya to be precise. Oga, you are very wicked. You don't deserve to live. Imagine you suffering the whole Imo lives. Imo State have not less than 8 million people, and they are suffering 8 million people because of 100 million that belongs to us. The money is ours. Why not pay this man 300 million? Pay him times 3. The money is ours. You are not paying pensioners. You are not paying civil servants. You are not ready to employ the youth. You are not ready to reappoint or appoint new commissioners in Imo State. You are not ready to conduct LG election. Why not pay this man and stop suffering us? Wicked man. My name is Uwas Local Plan, the village champion. Come and catch me if you can. Oga, I say you should come and you can also arrest me and call me a member of IPO, because that is your duty. Anybody that is being arrested in Imo State, the person automatically become a member of IPOB. The person automatically become a member of ESN. My name is Uwas Local Plan. You can come and arrest me and tag me ESN or tag me IPOB member. Oga, pay this man 100 million. Let all the free station that has been shut down for 2 good days, going to 3 days now, we have been suffering for no reason. Money belongs to Imo lives. Oga, give him 1 billion and open the free station. Wicked evil man. If you don't have my address, I can call my phone number 080 3826 2830. That is my phone number. You can call me. Send DSS. Abakari and his men, or the men of Abakari, they can still come and arrest me if they can. What kind of stupidity is this? Imolas are suffering. People are suffering here in Imo State. Abakari machine for that, my fuel finished. I packed my machine somewhere in Obo. I take from Obo to Ishuwege. If you want to just enter a journey of 15, people will be motorcyclist riders, keke riders will be telling you 300, 400, just a journey of 15, because there is no fuel in Imo State. What kind of stupidity and wickedness is this? Nonsense.